Okay, welcome to Polynomials using algebra tiles. Alright, so let's get introduced to the algebra tiles that we use. Alright, so large squares, which are usually green, are x squareds. Same size as our x squared, but not colored in, is negative x squared. Smaller squares, which are normally orange, are are positive y squareds. Same size as our y squared, except not colored in, is our negative y squared. Rectangles that are colored in, once again, usually green, x's. Not colored in, same size as our x, are negative x's. Smaller rectangles that are usually orange, once again, just like our y squared, is our y's. Same size as our y, except not colored in, as our y. When we want to represent little numbers, like 3, 4, 5, we use small squares with plus or minus inside of them, just to indicate if they are positive or negative. Alright, so let's quickly jump. Let's say you're given the formula 2x plus 3 multiplied by x plus, 3. Okay, so now you could go through and do first outside, inside, last, or you could use our algebra tiles. And to do that, you first draw a table, which starts somewhat to look like a graph in the beginning, if you think about it. So all you do is what you would draw is you would draw mainly our fourth quadrant. So if you remember, it's you would draw our fourth quadrant because it's just quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you would draw mainly quadrant 4. Alright, and so now you'd go through. So 2x, if we remember our shapes, it goes like this. So x and x, 3y, 1, 2, 3, y, y, good. Now multiplied by x plus 1, 2, 3, plus, good. Now let's go through, sorry, that's supposed to be y. Let's go through and continue our lines throughout the diagram. So if we go like this, ooh, sorry, these lines are very far from being perfect. Okay, we see that this is x squared, don't worry about these three, we will get to them in a moment. X in a perfect world, because these are not perfectly drawn. Y. Yes, this looks like y squared, but that's because the line's not straight. The line should go somewhat more like that. Whatever. They're not perfectly drawn. I am not using a ruler for this, and I'm sorry if I'm talking too fast. I'm doing that because my camera seems to really not have enough memory when I do this video. So, quickly, this is xy, and xy. I never showed you that yet, but when you see something like that, it is an xy. I didn't show you that before because normally we don't use shapes that are bigger than, taller than these, because if we were to draw an x squared, it wouldn't work because x times x squared is x to the power of 3, and we don't have an algebra tile for indicating that. Okay, so this way is the fastest way possible, because if I were to go through and write out the answer to this, you could see 2x squared plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x plus 9y plus 3xy. It is the fastest method. This is completely simplified. If you were to go through and do first outside, inside, last, you would get an answer, but then you'd have to simplify it, because simplifying is just what mathematicians do because they're lazy. Alright, so if you look in the description of this video, I will leave a quick note on what the algebra tiles are. If you don't remember what they are, there'll be quick notes there. Okay, so once again, thanks for watching. See you later.